My name is Fernando Rivera. I've been at Clarke for 10 years. I'm a lead organic formulator here at our natural art facility.
We mix the material for mosquitoes.
He'll be doing a lot of packaging and assisting us with our formulations wherever is needed.
A lot of stuff that they'll be doing is a lot of help work, helping bag, helping package, helping generally count our material.
It's just a great place to work for. The environment, the people are really nice. They show you if you have questions, they answer them for you, and they're quick to show you too.
Well, I enjoy working for Clarke. A lot of it for me, it's my fellow coworkers. It's the stuff that we do for each other. We help each other out.
You have to be a team player, everybody helps each other out. We all get to get together and help out wherever we can.
We make it fun for each other. It's not like a job all the time. Yeah, there's a lot of work that has to be done, but we try to make it fun. We have a good time.